Good morning, dear students. Our topic is differentiation, and yesterday we told that by the differentiation we can find the rate of change of one physical quantity with respect to another physical quantity. Okay, we read some definitions. The important definition is function. देखिए, I told you that if V is volume of a sphere, and we know that volume of a sphere is 4 by 3 pi r cube. Here this small r is the radius of that sphere, and 4 by 3 pi is a constant quantity. When radius is changed, then volume is also changed. Then if we want to find the rate of change of volume with respect to the radius of the sphere, then we differentiate volume of this sphere with respect to r. This is called differentiation of volume V with respect to r. R is radius. If we write that distance covered by any body is function of t, we know if any car, bus, truck or anybody is moving, then with respect to time, distance is changed. So distance s is the function of time. If we want to find the velocity or instantaneous velocity of this body, particular time instant पर आप velocity find करना चाहते हैं, then we have to differentiate this s with respect to t. Then it becomes velocity. This v is the velocity. So by the differentiation, we have to understand this thing, that by the differentiation we can find change in one physical quantity with respect to another physical quantity. If y is the function of x, we take an example. Yesterday we take example that 3x square plus 5x plus 8 is the function of x. If we want to find the rate of change of y with respect to x, then we differentiate this y with respect to x. Then we find dv upon dy upon dx. This is rate of change of y with respect to x. And we can also write it is differentiation of y with respect to x. This is differentiation of s with respect to time. This is differentiation of v, volume. This v is volume. Here this v is not volume. Here v is speed, and here this v is the volume of the sphere. Okay, dear students. So by the differentiation, we find the rate of change of one physical quantity or one quantity with respect to another quantity. And how we do differentiation? Then we use some formulas of differentiation. वो हम आगे देंगे. अभी हमें ये समझना है कि differentiation से आप करते क्या है. Why we use differentiation in physics? Then the use of differentiation is we find the rate of change of one quantity or physical quantity with respect to another physical quantity by the differentiation. Differentiation से हम एक physical quantity में दूसरी physical quantity के respect में उसका rate of change हम क्या कर सकते हैं, find कर सकते हैं. Then that is ds upon dt, dv upon dt, dy upon dx. Okay, dear students. Now we take some formulas of differentiation. Some theorems, formulas बाद में आएंगे. पहले first we take some theorems of differentiation. Okay, then first थ्योरम ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन, ये नोट्स में भी आपको आज हम भेजेंगे। d upon dx, if we take any constant quantity, then if we take constant quantity, then differentiation of this constant quantity is 0. If we write that y equal to 5, then y is a constant quantity. If we change, we differentiate it with respect to x. When we change y, then there is no change in, when we change x, then there is no change in y. So different in this condition, differentiation is 0. Then in second, if y equal to cu, where u is the function of x and c is constant quantity, in this condition when we differentiate it, then dy upon dx, कांस्टेंट को आप बाहर ले लीजिए एंड du upon dx. Example, if y equal to 5x square, then how we differentiate it? dy upon dx, 5 is constant and we differentiate this function of x with respect to x. Okay, if 2 or 3 functions are in addition, u plus minus v plus minus w, u, v and w are the function of x, then when we differentiate it, then we write u dy upon dx, du upon dx plus dv upon dx plus dw upon dx. Example, if we take the example of this third theorem is, if y equal to 2x square plus 5x plus 8, this function y is the function of x and this have 3 terms, then when we differentiate it, dy upon dx is d upon dx, differentiation of 2x square plus differentiation of 5x प्लस डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ 8, इन सभी का आप क्या करेंगे? डिफरेंशिएशन करेंगे. d अपॉन डी एक्स 2x स्क्वायर, d अपॉन डी एक्स 5x प्लस d अपॉन डी एक्स 8. इन सभी का आप डिफरेंशिएशन में 3 पार्ट्स कर दिया. दिस इज डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ डिफरेंट पार्ट्स. देन नेक्स्ट इज y equal to u multiplied with v. Again u and v are the function of x, means if two functions of x comes in multiplication, then we differentiate it, then first function is constant, differentiation of second function, और second function is constant, differentiation of first function. एक को आप constant रखिए, दूसरे का डिफरेंशिएशन कीजिए, फिर दूसरे कांस्टेंट रखिए, पहले का डिफरेंशिएशन कीजिए. ओके, इफ टू फंक्शंस कम्स इन डिवाइड, u डिवाइड बाय v, देन व्हाट इज द मेथड? dy अपॉन dx इज स्क्वायर ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर, स्क्वायर ऑफ डिनोमिनेटर, देन डिनोमिनेटर कांस्टेंट, differentiation of numerator minus numerator is constant, differentiation of denominator. This is the method of differentiation when two x function are in divide. Okay, if we take an example of this, let us assume that y equal to x plus 2 upon x cube. These are two functions, first function and second function. If we use this formula, then how we do differentiation? dy upon dx square of the denominator. What is denominator? V. And what is V here? X cube. Then square of the x cube. Then denominator is constant, x cube is constant. Differentiation of numerator is x plus 2. Minus sign. Now numerator is constant, means x plus 2 constant, and differentiation of denominator, then denominator is x cube. इस तरह से करेंगे हम इसका. This is the method of finding differentiation when two functions are one function is in numerator and another is in denominator. If two functions are in multiplication, y equal to x cube plus 2 multiply with x plus 5, then this is first and second in multiplication. Then what we do, dy upon dx first remains same, differentiation of second, plus sign, second is same, and differentiation of first, x cube plus. Now for differentiation of x to the power n, देखिए फॉर्मूला, ये फॉर्मूला बहुत ज्यादा काम में आएगा, इसको आप बिल्कुल ढंग से याद कर लीजिए. इफ वी हैव टू डिफरेंशिएट x टू द पावर n, तो क्या मेथड होगा, आप ये जो n पावर है इसको तो आगे ले लीजिए और इसमें से एक पावर को कम कर दीजिए. दिस इज द मेथड ऑफ डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x टू द पावर n. अभी हमने जितने भी एग्जांपल्स लिए हैं सभी में यही फॉर्मूला काम में आएगा. ओके, एंड दिस फॉर्मूला एंड फर्स्ट दिस फॉर्मूला, differentiation of any constant value is always 0. देखिए अगर मैं इस फॉर्मूले को यहाँ पर ये लिखा था 2x square, then 2 is constant, ये तो बाहर ले लेंगे. what is the differentiation of x square by this formula? what is the differentiation of x square? देन 2 पावर तो आगे आ जाएगा और एक पावर कम होगा तो क्या होगा 2x. व्हाट इज द डिफरेंशिएशन ऑफ x विद रेस्पेक्ट टू x? तो क्या होगा बताइए, हाउ मच पावर ऑन दिस x? 1. तो 1 पावर आप आगे ले लीजिए, 1 पावर कम कर दीजिए, तो 1 minus 1 0 मींस x to the power 0 is 1, then it is 1. so dx upon dx is 1. if we differentiate x with respect to x, अगर आप x को x के रेस्पेक्ट में डिफरेंशिएट करेंगे तो आपको क्या मिलेगा 1 मिलेगा. if we differentiate x with respect to x, if we differentiate x to the power 3, then what we got, 3 power comes outside 3, this according to this formula. And what is in the power of x? n minus 1, then n is 3 here, then 3 minus 1 is 2. this is the differentiation of 3x square. like that, if we differentiate this, then x cube plus 2, differentiation of x is 1 with respect to x, and differentiation of 5. अब 5 के साथ कोई x y टर्म नहीं है, then 5 is constant, then differentiation of 5 is 0. then what is the differentiation of this part? यहाँ लिखा हूँ देखिए, x cube plus 2, differentiation of x is 1 and 5 का 0. now plus x plus 5, what is the differentiation of this? then differentiation of x cube is 3x square and differentiation of 2 is 0. ये इसका differentiation हो जाएगा. now multiply these two and find the answer. okay. इस तरह से हम डिफरेंशिएशन करते हैं। ये जो हमने 6 पॉइंट्स लिखे हैं